So this is Project Iron Horse. It's the car we've been kind of working on, making a little bit faster, a little bit better throughout this whole summer. Well, the channel just got a big increase in subscribers. We're up to like 300 and something now. So why don't we take a moment to go through the car and show you what is Project Iron Horse. Okay? So Project Iron Horse is a 1965 Ford Mustang. It's got the 289 still in it, although it's had some work done. We got the Kragers up front, 15x6 I believe, and we got just Steelies in the back, 14x6 with a Mickey Thompson L60 14 tire wrapped around there. We changed that on one of the past episodes. We got our Lakewood slapper bars down there, and they are adjusted to where they are touching. That side in particular has preload because the differential, it's an 8-inch, and it's got the original 280 open diff rear, which that is the biggest limiting factor to this car. For exhaust, we have some, I believe there's Summit Racing glass packs that just come out right to the middle of the car, just dump straight out. It has its, I believe, original 289, although it has a Performer 289 intake, Edelbrock intake. It's got unknown 302 heads, tapered combo spacer, 2-inch. Alright, bring in for a closer look here so you can see what's going on. You know, pretty typical stuff, nothing fancy. As a matter of fact, I would say it's a little anti-fancy. I mean, yeah, it is what it is. I do have my Monte Carlo bar though, which we installed in one of the episodes. And my tuning vacuum gauge. Alright, let's go to the trunk. Alright, there's the lovely trunk filled with tools. I have the toolbox here for a very specific reason. It's over the passenger side rear tire, which, remember, open diff. That's the one that usually spins. So, a little balance, you know, little trying to get her down to the ground there. Timing light, magnet cup, windshield wipers in case it rains, and jack stands. And I do actually have a jack back here, and some foam stuff to lay down on. Ooh! Gotta have that. Even still smells like whatever that is. Well, well, if you can determine what that says, good on you. So that's oh, of course, the stickers. You gotta have the stickers. It's got a Hughes torque converter. I mean, various parts from Summit and Jags, Race City, Retro. I got, I think, some gauge parts from them, Flowtech, just all kinds of stuff. Lastly, the interior. I got the foot gas pedal, gotta have that. I got shifter, which I'm not entirely happy with, but you know, it's there for now. I have an episode on where we took that so we can actually interchange it. That's on my YouTube shorts, so look at my shorts feed. You know, I got a bunch of stuff on there. Of course, the jewelry, my odometer tachometer with, don't know if you noticed, my American flag motif. Gotta have that. Oil pressure, water temperature, right there where I can see it. Well, it's a button that will be useful in the future. There's a hint in the trunk if you were paying attention for what that's going to be for. Got my aviators, you know, just there it is.